Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Kiki and I'm back again with another video. And today I'm going to show you exactly how to create an ebook inside of Canva. I know a lot of y'all have been wondering how to get started, how to make it look professional, and how to make it sellable. So guess what? I went ahead and created a step-by-step tutorial for you. Let's go ahead and jump right into the video. All right, first things first, head over to canva.com. Once you're logged in, click on the search bar and type in ebook or A4 document. Canva already has ebook templates pre-sized for you, so pick one that fits your vibe or start with a blank one if you want full control. Now this is the fun part. Templates. You'll see a ton of designs, minimal, bold, business, beauty, you name it. I recommend choosing one that aligns with your brand or niche. For this example, I'm going with something clean and modern. Next, let's customize the cover. Change the title to your ebook name, update the font, colors, and add your name or logo. Canva makes this so easy, just click and type. Pro tip, use your brand colors to make it cohesive with your other content. Now let's build out your pages. Add new pages by clicking Add Page at the bottom. You can duplicate the layout or mix it up with different page styles. Then, drop in your content. This could be your tips, your story, how-to guides, recipes, whatever your ebook is about. You can paste it in section by section and format it using the text tools. To make it pop, add visuals like icons, images, or illustrations from Canva's library. Use lines, shapes, or even page numbers to keep things looking clean and professional. Don't go overboard. Clean layout always wins. Once you're done editing, hit that share button at the top right, then click download. Choose PDF standard for digital reads or PDF print if you want to print it out. Boom! Your ebook is ready to go. And that's it. Creating your ebook inside Canva is super simple, super fun, and super professional. If this helped you out, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you want more Canva or digital product tutorials. I got you. See you in the next video.